Anyways, put that side. We're gonna move on to Fusion Strike. Alrighty. I don't think. Alright. 1, 2, 3 to the front. I'm like doing this very far. I'm sorry. I'm at a different angle right now. Doesn't look like we. Ooh. That's another hit. Alright. That's 3 so far. We're looking good. So far so good. Yeah, and I guess this was seeded. Like, at least you could get a like a chase pack, like a Neo Genesis is what it said on the box. So that would've been cool to get. Never opened anything older, like as old as that. Marnie's, Team Yellowstone, Grotto, Snorunt, Clink, Dean, Chew, Skull, Trainer Helmet, Garchomp. Nothing special.